welcome to this update. Today we are talking about some extreme weather happening in parts of Eastern Europe and Russia. So there's a mass of very cold air there in Eastern Europe, bringing a lot of snow, blizzards and freezing temperatures to many countries of Eastern Europe. So be aware of that. And now there are red warnings for icy conditions, for wind almost 100 kilometers per hour, and blizzard conditions in Romania. So if you know someone there, or if you are there, be careful. And there are also still red warnings for wind in parts of Greece, and a lot of low temperature warnings in Greece as well. This system is starting to affect Turkey with snow and wind too, and also some thunderstorms and rain. And now there's another red warning for Russia in the Black Sea region. So be aware of that as well. Here you can see the low pressure area entering there on the Black Sea now, with a lot of snow over Romania and Bulgaria. So there are also red warnings in Bulgaria for blizzards and stuff, and also some scattered rain and thunderstorms accompanied by this low pressure too. Here you can see the current wind gusts there. A lot of strong winds in some locations. So of course this will change along the day, but just so you have an idea of what's going on. And here you can see very low temperatures in those regions, and also further north than this map shows as well. So the low temperatures and stuff continue further north into Moldova, into Poland. There are also warnings in Germany. So if you have any questions about other countries, please ask us in the comments.